latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital. I am Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today it's all about masks. Now coronavirus has impacted the whole world and it looks like that masks are very much a necessity. It has also impacted sports around the world and cricket too is trying to make a comeback. Talking about comebacks, suggestions have been coming in from all quarters to ensure that cricket is back and back with a jiffy. Now talking about suggestions, one such suggestion has come from former Pakistan captain and current head coach Misbah-ul-Haq. Now what is it that Misbah is suggesting? Misbah is saying that when competitive cricket returns, then the bowlers need to wear masks while on the cricket pitch, and that too when they are bowling. Why is he saying it? Because he feels that all the bowlers, right from the childhood days to your cricket academy days to your national team playing days to the international level, bowlers are used to applying saliva on the cricket ball instinctively. And what happens? It is almost like that it's a habit and not something which has been told them to do. Now what are the repercussions of Misbah-ul-Haq's statement? Bowlers around the world are very much divided over it. While few say that applying saliva on the cricket ball cannot be taken out of the game, few bowlers like Josh Hazlewood, Pat Cummins and others feel that an alternative arrangement needs to be made in order to keep them into the game, otherwise no one will be a bowler. But I will tell you what are the practical repercussions of Misbah-ul-Haq's statement. Now in this section, I'll be telling you as to why Misbah-ul-Haq's suggestion is not a practical one. Now, if a human being carry out any cardiovascular activity or any exercise for that matter, in this case jogging, then he or she will lose his breath and he will also lose energy as well. Now consider a match scenario between India and Australia, and Jasprit Bumrah has to bowl in 20 to 25 overs in a test match. Mathematically speaking, when a bowler bowls close to 25 overs, he has covered close to 3 kilometers alone in the stadium. That comes to close to 2 miles. Now that's not an easy job with this mask on. Now what is the problem while playing with mask on? Playing with mask, now you are inhaling oxygen and also releasing carbon dioxide from this given area. And also while talking to your skipper, the saliva can actually touch the inside area of the mask. Now that is an additional problem. Medically speaking, if you inhale an extra amount of carbon dioxide, then it can lead to bad sight, it can lead to heart attack, it can even lead to high blood pressures. So can the ICC actually risk the lives of the players, or will they even consider Misbah-ul-Haq's suggestion in the first place? Now what I would like to know from you is, what do you think about Misbah-ul-Haq's suggestion? Is this even worthy of being discussed in a meeting? Flood in those comments in the feedback section and I'll be waiting for your comments. And yes, do make sure that you subscribe us across all media platforms.